Right, next week I'm going to be in Scotland and I'm going to be climbing Ben Nevis. This is for a charity event that me and a friend of mine have organised. Details coming up right now. I'll be climbing from the bottom of Ben Nevis to the top. Well, you're not going to start from the top to the bottom, you idiot. You're probably thinking, what's the big deal? To give you a little idea of the scale we're climbing, here's a little computer graphics. Thank you, Google Earth. We'll be climbing Ben Nevis in October, so it should be a little bit cold and make it a little bit more difficult. Here's the best bit. We'll be climbing Ben Nevis in kilts. October in kilts. Are you mad? Yes, climbing Ben Nevis in October in my kilt. The charity I'll be climbing for is called the Rainbow Trust. The Rainbow Trust is a charity that helps families who have children who are terminally ill. What they do in this charity is truly wonderful. They help children fulfill their last wishes. So if they want to go and see a celebrity, they can make it happen. If they want to go to Disneyland, they can make that happen as well. I'm hoping to raise about £300 for the Rainbow Trust. There will be a link at the bottom where you can do an online donation. Just give what you can or just spread the word. When I'm in Scotland, I will be doing live updates, whilst I'll be doing Facebook updates on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. So you can follow the struggles of the climb. Well, that was a bit Hollywood, wasn't it? The good thing is I'll be having whiskey with me to keep me warm and some bacon sandwiches. If you can share this video with your friends and family with the link below, I'm truly hoping to raise £300 for the Rainbow Trust. Thank you and wish me luck. I'm really gonna need it.